This demonstration is about Newton's second law, which states that the acceleration is equal to the net force divided by the mass. I'm going to apply that to cars. If you're in a car driving along and you hit a barrier, the barrier is going to be the net force exerted on the car, which will slow the car down, and it will slow everyone else down in the car as well, unless they're not wearing seatbelts. And if they're not wearing seatbelts, they're going to want to just keep on moving in a straight line until they hit something that will slow them down. Okay, so let's give this a try, and you'll see some of them aren't wearing seatbelts, some of them are.